Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be putting together and reviewing a step stool that I got for my toddler from Amazon. So if you're a parent or a human being that needs a step stool, then keep watching because I am going to tell you all about this affordable and lightweight step stool from Amazon. All right, let's get right into it. So from the get-go, I can tell you that what I do love most about this step stool is that it's not only for kids, it is also for adults. It can hold up to 300 pounds. So I've been using the step stool myself around the house, especially like around the kitchen or where I'm trying to reach high places in the pantry, things like that. So that is a good thing. Whenever I buy stuff like that, I make sure that it is not just for one function, just like only for my kids, but that's something that I can use as well. This is one of those things that it has more than one purpose around the house. So the brand is called Trueyee and you can find it on Amazon. I'll leave the link down below if anybody's interested. It arrived in a very small and compact box. It was super easy and simple to put together. It only has 4 wooden pieces for you to screw on together. And it took me less than 10 minutes to have the step stool ready to use. The entire step stool is made out of bamboo and is very resistant and durable. And it only weighs 6 pounds, which makes it very easy for my toddler to actually lift it from the side handles and move it around the house. I also love the embedded design that they did with the step stool that provides the double load bearing, making it the stool more stable and sturdy and ultimately safer for kids and adults. So as I mentioned before, the step stool has 2 handles, one on each side, and very easy to grab and move around, place it wherever it is that you need it. Also, another thing that I've noticed about this step stool is that the wood has a nice finish on it, and you can run your hands and fingers through it and you're not gonna get a splinter or any of that. There's no like loose pieces of wood. I've noticed with other cheap products that I've gotten from Amazon, but this is not one of those. So that's awesome because of course my toddler is going to be using it and I don't want her to get hurt. The other thing that is very important for me, it is that it has 4 anti-slip pads on the bottom. So of course, extremely important for whenever my kids are using it, so it doesn't move around whenever they're on top of it. Also, another safety feature is that it has all round edges. So your kids, if they do end up falling, tripping, even if they're not on it, if they're like running around the house and they trip over it, it does not have sharp edges. It is all round, and so hopefully they do not get hurt. Also, both steps have a non-slip surface and they added this like wave pattern, making it more sturdy for the little ones to step on. Another plus is that it is super easy to wipe. So if your kids are using the step stool to help you cook in the kitchen, you know, sometimes they spill things, but it's super easy to wipe off and the wood will not stain. So far my kids have been using the step stool all over the house. She's been using it in the kitchen to reach up in the pantry, in the bathroom to wash her hands. Actually, she also used it to get up in our bed because it's a bit high, but this step stool makes it super easy for her to actually get on it. She has been using it actually to sit on it as well, just like as a regular seat like this. And we've also been using it in the bathroom for her to reach up to the toilet. But if you do use it for your kids to use the potty, I would recommend to actually not have it as a step like this for them to reach the toilet, but the other way around, because the higher step, it might be a bit too high for them if they stand on it for them to actually sit in the toilet. But I have it the other way. So basically the first step to be facing the toilet, so she can sit on the toilet and have her foot rest down here instead of on the higher step. But if you're looking just for a smaller step stool just for the potty, I would recommend to look at the same brand, but they have another wooden step stool, but the difference is that it only has 1 step, the other one. So I think that will work a lot better with the potty than the 2-step one. But you can make both work just as fine. But I think that's about it for this step stool. My daughter has been loving using the step stool. She truly feels like more independent because she can do a lot more things by herself, especially because this step stool is not very heavy, so she can even move it around the house by herself. We used to have another one that it was a lot heavier and she always needed help moving that around. Even though she can get on it by herself and do whatever she was going to do, independently, but she still needed my help to actually move the step stool to where she actually wanted to use it. So the lightweight is actually a game changer. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, leave them down in the comment section, and I will also leave the link down in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you again on my next one. Bye!